Hey, welcome to my course on setting up your first Bitcoin wallet. This is the introduction video. And in this course, we're going to go through how to set up Bitcoin wallets for both mobile devices and desktop wallets. And by the end of this video, you'll understand wallet security and how that works. You'll understand what a seed phrase is, what the public and private Bitcoin key are, backing up and recovering your wallet. We'll go through conducting your first Bitcoin transaction safely, how you should store your seed phrase and handle your private keys, as well as various Bitcoin wallet options and the different Bitcoin wallet types that exist. As for the course outline, in the first video, we'll cover what public and private keys are and why it's important to keep your private key private, and your public key obviously is okay to give out publicly. But we'll also go through some of the privacy and security impacts of that and why you may not want to give your public key out to everyone, just when necessary, those you're transacting with at the time, and why it's important to use a different public key for each transaction. Then we'll move on to understanding your seed phrase. The seed phrase is usually a 12 to 24 word phrase that you use to restore your Bitcoin wallet in the event that something should happen to your device, or you want to just put a copy of it on a different device, and the importance of securely storing that, because as you can restore your wallet with the seed phrase, so could anyone else that would get access to that seed phrase. And then we'll go through setting up a Bitcoin wallet and the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets. And then we'll also go through the different preferences each wallet has to offer. As the Bitcoin network is the same across all wallets, the rule set for the network and interacting with the network is the same, but each wallet will handle the user interface of transacting with the Bitcoin blockchain slightly differently. That said, once you have a basic understanding of Bitcoin and how it works, you'll understand the differences between each wallet and will be able to suit the wallet that best suits your needs accordingly. In video 4, we'll go through testing out the wallet with a tiny transaction and why that's important, just to make sure you've set everything up properly before using the wallet to store larger funds. And then lastly, we'll go through restoring your wallet from your seed phrase so that you feel comfortable in all aspects of the Bitcoin wallet. And should the time come where you ever need to restore the wallet yourself, if you upgrade your device, want to put it on the second device, or damage your device and lose all access to it, you'll see how easy it is to actually restore the seed phrase and therefore restore the entire wallet. And secondly, you'll see why it's so important to protect that seed phrase, because you'll see anyone with access to that seed phrase can also restore the wallet just the same. And with that, let's jump into the course and start through the first video.